we've got our Real RC backpack here.
Real RC?
Real RC. Real RC backpack. Look, finally someone's done something decent at a decent price. Look, you can fit your thermos on there for a cup of tea for the old fella.
Yep.
Got a couple of quads on it, but look what you can get inside the thing. This is pretty cool.
Right, so you're going to open this up.
I'm going to open this up. We've got, look, you can fit your radio in there. We've got 2 pairs of goggles in here, pair in case one stuffs up, even a first aid kit.
Yes, I should say thank you for bringing that, Trevor, because I don't remember mine ever.
Yeah, it's even got enough room for a lipo bag. You don't get a lipo bag with it, but enough room to put all your batteries in there as well. So look, I reckon this is great value for money. For finally someone's bought out a backpack for FPV at an affordable price. These things are about, I think, 65 bucks Australian and 85 bucks US. So it's not bad value.
I'm going to hijack your video here right now and say, you know, I got a lot of backpacks, and if you look at mine, I even bought mine out today. So I've got mine sitting over, I don't know if this is coming in shot, but mine is over there. So you can see I've been using mine all day as well. So it's become my main backpack.
Yeah, I like it. It's look, there's even room in here for a laptop or props, which I've got in there as well. So I'm quite impressed with this. It's finally something that's not a rip-off. So if you want something cheap that looks like it's well worth it, well made, go for it. I'll leave a link below, guys, if you're interested. If not, don't click the link. Well, that's short and sweet. I mean, this is even quicker than a 5-minute video. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you don't like it, stiff shit. Catch you later.